Back to business help. In this video, we're going to be going over some of the basic calculations along with basic functions here in Excel. So we're first going to start off by the adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing here. So we're going to start with adding. So in Excel, to simply start at adding, you hit the equal sign. You type, we're going to use 5 plus 5. That's going to equal 10, obviously. So we're going to do one more here to make sure you understand. 15 plus 15. That equals 30. So you can do it that way. Or if you already have data sets in like you do here, you have your 2 5s, your 2 10s, or your 2 15s, click your equal sign, 5, the plus sign, 5, and equals. And then you can also just drag, you can either manually enter them like that for all of yours, or if you have a larger data set like I do here, you can just simply click on the box and the little square and drag it down. So now we're going to move on to subtracting. It's the same as addition. The same concept as addition, how to use it. 6 instead of the plus, you're gonna hit the minus and hit enter again. We'll do one more here. We're gonna do 8, hit the minus sign, hit enter. And now you can do the same thing as addition here. You can use the 5 minus 2 function. That way, hey, if I wanted to change, maybe I want to change this to a 10. Now automatically it calculates over here for me. That's why you would want to use this instead of just manually typing them in. So if you ever make any changes in your spreadsheet, they automatically adjust. We're just going to go ahead and drag this down. Okay, so now we do multiplication. So multiplication here, you're going to hit the equal sign again. We're going to do 3. For the multiplication sign here, you use the asterisk times 3. So I'm going to hit enter. Do one more here. 9 times 9. Once again, it's just the asterisk for the multiplication sign in Excel. Also works the same way as the adding and subtracting here. I'm going to show you real quick. And drag it down. So now we're going to go ahead and do the dividing. We're going to equal 8. It's going to be the slash divided by 2, which is 4. Do one more example. 7 divided by 3 equals 2.33. So now the only difference is here is we're going to get some different numbers here if we're going to be dividing numbers here. So you can go ahead and see, go to the home tab, go to the number section here, and you can set, hey, maybe I want to add one decrease decimals. Maybe I don't want that many decimals, or maybe I want a lot of decimals on there. So simply hit that, increase or decrease. That way you can keep track of the amount of decimals. We're going to just go with 2 decimals. That's normally what a lot of people would choose. So we're going to do this. All right, I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to highlight, it's already highlighted. I'm going to decrease decimal. All right, now we're down to 2 decimal places here. All right, so now we got adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing done. Now we're going to move on to some of the more basic functions here in Excel. They're going to use more formulas instead of just adding and subtracting. So we're going to start with mean here. So for formulas, as we've gone on over in other videos, the formulas can be found up here, more functions, or under the formulas tab here, and you can insert functions this way as well. These ones today are going to be under the math trigonometry section here, but we're going to access them from the home screen, so I'll show you some shortcuts here. See, there's the AutoSum button, there's the arrow to the right. So it's average. So let's start with that one, because that's going to be our first one we're going to be covering. So average. So it pops up this screen. So now all you simply do is, with A3 through B3 highlighted right now, all you need to simply do is drag it over what numbers you want to have the average of, and then hit enter. So it's very easy to do there. So now we're going to move on to median. So median's a little different here. So as you can see, it's not right here in one of these first 5 numbers. So we're going to hit the more functions button. You're simply going to type median in as it pops up median. Now we're going to hit OK. So now it pops up this new screen here that we haven't seen yet. So all it is simply this. All you do is highlight the data you need. So just highlight that, hit OK. Now it's going to give us the median. The mode is going to be similar to that, except this time we're just going to be typing mode in. OK. This is for the number that occurs most often. Hit enter. So 5 occurs the most often here. So it's a very easy way to keep track of that. Min and max are going to be a little easier here. They're going to be back to we got the min, Simply select your data set, and the max is going to be the same way. You're just going to use the max button this time. Max of 86. So those median, min, and max, along with your quartile ranges, which we'll cover in another video, are going to be used a lot with using standard deviations and stuff like that. So they can be helpful, especially calculating that stuff. And we're going to use AutoSum like I've already shown in other videos here, but we're just going to quickly review it here. It's going to be the same way as min, max, and average. And simply click enter, and that's going to be our AutoSum. So hopefully this video is helpful, and if it was, make sure to go down and hit the like button, as well as subscribe. We'll be posting more videos on Excel and both PowerPoint in the next weeks here, and we'll be posting several videos a week. So make sure to follow us around.